Hello, it's your friend Robert, and I'm back again. And today I'm in Columbus, Ohio, and today I'm super excited to take you on Mexican food. And today I'll be trying some tacos on different joints here in Columbus, Ohio. Thank you again for tuning in. Thank you for watching my videos, and remember to subscribe. Please consider sharing and comment, and let me know what you think about today's video. Thank you again, and let's go enjoy some tacos. Alright, so today they do have a special going on here for lamb tacos and some lamb soup, so I think I'll try that. Let me get 2 lamb tacos.
Two lamb tacos and 2 lamb soup?
Yes, 1 lamb soup and 2 lamb tacos. Alright, so as you can see, the total came up to $9.68. Alright, so the food just got here, and I do have my lamb soup. As you can see it's the traditional bowl. A lot of cilantro, some onions as well. Super excited for this. Some chickpeas, a little bit of some onions. Also cilantro with some red pepper here. So let's give it a shot and see how it tastes. Wow. This is perfect. I like the flavor of lamb and the onions and cilantro. It really amplifies this soup. It's very hearty, very rich. Oh man, it's amazing. Take a look at that. This is good. So good. Alright, so I think I'll move on to lamb tacos. As you can see, I got 2. Got a little bit of some onions going on there. Some cilantro. Also a little bit of lamb. Here we got a lime. Start with a lime. Drizzle on my tacos. Green sauce. Alright, gonna pour tacos, red sauce here. Gonna drizzle that one too in there. Pickled onions. Alright, gonna put it on my tacos in there. Oh man, this is gonna be super spicy. Alright, gonna fold it. Ooh, that's huge. Alright, first bite. Cheers. Wow, so much flavor. This is a corn tortilla, very fresh, very soft. Lamb is very tender, very juicy, and I like the fact that the onions are very crunchy. Green sauces, red sauce amplifies the flavor in this. Hands down. Good taco. So I think this is gonna just gonna be like a one bite. Amazing. I'm gonna check that with my soup. Oh my goodness. It gets even more better, more tasty, yummy. Hella good. Second taco, do the same. Just gonna pour all the sauce, the remaining sauce, pour all the red sauce. No, it looks like a volcano of like taco. Amazing. Very good. Very saucy, very juicy, and delicious. Extra delicious. Oh man, this is perfect. I'm heading to a second joint. I'll leave the description of this location. If you want to try out, you can check it out. Alright, so I'm here at my second location, and this is called Chimiliko Tacos, and again, it's located here in Columbus, Ohio. I'm gonna try and see what kind of tacos they have, and I'll share the whole food experience. So yeah, let's enjoy more tacos. Alright, so I'm super excited about this second location. This is a taco food truck. It's located here in a small shopping. They got some really good looking tacos, and they're so full of so I'll leave the description of this location as well if you want to check it out. And I do have 2 chicken tacos, and also I do have a beef steak taco. I'm gonna open the green chili sauce. I'm gonna pour that inside all the tacos. The red chili sauce. It looks good. For a little bit of that, because I'm pretty sure this might be too hot. Start with a chicken taco. It looks really good. Oh, actually I forgot to put my lime in there. So put a little bit of lime. Then I'm gonna grab maybe a cucumber, put 1 cucumber in there too. Alright, cool. Let's go. Amazing. I like the fact that this taco is not like plain. It's not like bland. It does have some sauces and spices as well, and it tastes really good. And I like the cucumber. It's crunchy and fresh. The chicken's very juicy, and very good aroma to it from the cilantro. Oh man, that's the one right there. Fresh, authentic taco. I like this. Beef steak taco. Gonna put a little bit more lime. Gonna grab a piece of cucumber. Cheers. Flavors. Oh man, amazing. That's all I can say. This taco is so tender, so juicy, like very juicy with the sauces and stuff. You can see like that, saucy. Oh man, I'm loving it. Beef tastes so fresh. Again, it's very simple, but very tasty. About 3 tacos, only $5. It's so filling, tasty. They're not stingy at all when it comes to meat. You get like tons and tons of meat. Oh man, this is perfect. I'll leave the description of this location. We're heading to location number 3. Alright fellas, so I'm back again at the Nose Market. So this is location number 3, and I'm here at Gauchos Gahanna. Thank you again for tuning in, and let's enjoy some tacos. right, so that was location number 3, and we just came off Gauchos Gahanna, and got some free tacos. Oh man, it looks hella good. Take a look at that. Very steamy. Alright, so here we have some chicken taco, barbacoa, so that's like shredded beef, and steak tacos. I think I'll start with my chicken taco. As you can see, it looks really good. This is a guacamole salsa. Put a little bit of that in there. Lime. Alright, perfect. Alright, so first bite. And actually these are really big. Chicken taco. Cheers. Wow. Very tasty, full of flavors. Onions, cilantro, steamy, juicy. I'm gonna chase it with jalapeno here. Grilled jalapeno. Woo. It got a little bit of kick. Oh my goodness, and it's spicy too. So next, steak taco. Oh, beef steak taco. Looks juicy, really appetizing. Again, put a little bit of my guacamole, lime. Cheers. Woo. Hands down. This taco, it's huge. It's packed with tons and tons of flavors. Very juicy, very hot, spicy as well. I think that comes off this jalapeno, and the flavors and the condiments, like your cilantro, your onions, are so fresh. Oh man, this is good. I'll tell you, it's worth spending $11 at this joint. Last taco, and again, this is barbacoa. As you can see it, very steamy, very hot, and this is slow roasted steak, lime. Oh man, it looks really, really good. All right, so I'm gonna try to fold this together, back together, and look at that. It looks really good. First bite.
I like it. I like it.
Oh man. Words cannot describe the amount of flavor parked in this taco. I would say like this is my favorite. This is my favorite taco. Out of all these 2 or 3, I would say the barbacoa taco is my favorite. The reason why it's so favorite is because, again, it's tender, it's so juicy. The amount of spices they got in this steak, oh man, is incredible. And I like the fact that it tastes beyond fresh. You get like that fresh beef taste. Oh man, I love this. I love this. And I gotta finish this one here. All right. It's oozing. I'm gonna chase it a little bit with my jalapeno. Woo. Man. Amazing experience. Fresh food, incredible service, perfect location. You get to sit outside, enjoy the views, enjoy fresh air, enjoy the sun. Oh man, it doesn't get better than that. All right, so if you want to visit this location, I'll leave the description and the address on the link below. So thank you again for tuning in. Please remember to subscribe, consider subscribing, share, comment, and like, and let me know what you think about today's video. Again, until next time, thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.